Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the coin acceptor model and firmware so connectors match. You also note the serial number. Once done, cut power to the machine and remove the cover, exposing the mounting bay and wiring harness. Make sure you have a 12V DC 2A power supply ready along with screws and a grounding strap. This avoids damage and speeds the process. It sets you up to mount and wire without guessing which connector does what. You mount the acceptor in the bay, aligning the bracket and tightening 4 screws while keeping the coin path clear by a couple millimeters so jams won't form. Then you wire power to plus 12V and G&D and attach signal lines for pulse, inhibit, and coin out according to the manual. Label each if needed. Make sure you route cables away from motors or crush points and use ties for strain relief. Test continuity on each wire before you apply power to the system. You power the unit and immediately run the calibration routine, setting coin dimensions and debounce timing so the sensor discriminates properly. Once calibrated, perform a 10-coin acceptance test, log pulses per coin, and note any rejects. This verifies real-world operation. If coins jam or miscount, check that ground is solid, confirm the inhibit line isn't held, and clean optical or magnetic sensors with isopropyl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.